new studies find cybersecurity as the top concern among automotive manufacturers. Now, why has cybersecurity become a top concern among automotive manufacturers? Really, with the rise of connected cars, autonomous driving, and the increasing integration of digital technologies in vehicle, the stakes have never been higher. Automotive manufacturers, they're rapidly advancing in the development of connected and autonomous vehicles. And these technologies promise enhanced safety, convenience, and efficiency, but they also open up a multitude of cybersecurity vulnerabilities. And connected vehicles communicate with external systems and infrastructure, making them potential targets for cyber attacks. Hackers could exploit these connections to gain unauthorized access, potentially taking control of vehicle functions or stealing sensitive data. And several high-profile incidents have highlighted the vulnerabilities in automotive cybersecurity. I'd say one notable example is like a 2015 Jeep Cherokee that was hacked. And the security researchers demonstrated that they could remotely control the vehicle, manipulating its steering, brakes, and transmission. And this incident raised significant alarm within the industry and underscores the urgent need for robust cybersecurity measures. Another example is the discovery of vulnerabilities in Tesla's autopilot system, where researchers were able to trick the car into changing lanes or stopping unexpectedly by placing stickers on the road. And these incidents illustrate how seemingly minor security flaws can have major safety implications. And cybersecurity concerns in the automotive industry are not just about protecting data, they're also about ensuring the physical safety of drivers and passengers. A successful cyber attack on a vehicle can lead to accidents, injuries, or even fatalities. As vehicles collecting increasing amounts of data, and that includes personal information about drivers, protecting this data from breaches is crucial for maintaining consumer trust as well as complying with privacy regulations. Now, the automotive industry faces a complex landscape of regulatory and compliance requirements, all related to cybersecurity. For instance, the European Union's GDPR regulation imposes strict rules on how personal data must be handled and protected. Additionally, the United Nations Economic Commission for Europe, they have introduced regulations specifically targeting automotive cybersecurity and software updates. Manufacturers really need to navigate these regulations to avoid fines and ensure their vehicles meet global cybersecurity standards. To address these challenges, automotive manufacturers are adopting several key strategies. First, secure development practices. This is integrating cybersecurity from the earliest stages of vehicle design and development, which ensures that security is built into the product rather than added as an afterthought. Second, regular software updates. This is providing timely updates and patches for vehicle software, which helps to address new vulnerabilities as they are discovered. Third, collaborating and information sharing. So working with industry consortia and regulatory bodies to share information about threats and best practices, which enhances the overall security posture of the automotive industry. And fourth, testing and validation. So conducting rigorous tests, including penetration testing and vulnerability assessments, which helps to identify and mitigate potential security issues before they can be exploited.